Welcome back to the YouTube channel Learning English with Bijoy, or welcome those who are here for the first time. Friends, we have started learning tenses. We have completed knowing past tense, and we have completed present indefinite tense and then present continuous tense. And today we will be discussing about present perfect tense. So I have written 4 sentences. They all are in present perfect tense. The first, he has lost his pen. It means he has just lost his pen. He has not received, he has not found it. And if we say he lost his pen, it means what? It means he lost his pen earlier. Maybe he has actually got the pen, he has got his pen, or he may not got his pen. But it is still true. It means he has lost his pen. He has just lost his pen and he has not received it. He has not get it yet. Actually, present perfect tense, it refers to the action that happened in the past, but it affects in the present. We can see, we can feel. So those type of sentences comes under present perfect tense. So now let's move to the second sentence. They have finished the work. It means they have just finished their work. They don't have to do any other work. They have finished it, and it's the true. And if we say they finished the work, it means they finished their work. Maybe they started new work, but when we actually write this sentence, they have finished the work, it means this sentence is still true. They have just finished. They have no more work to do. Let's move to the third. India has won the match. India has won the match. It means India played in a match and eventually India has won the match. Number 4, she has gone to school. She has gone to school. It means what? She has just left for school and she may be right now in school. She is not at home. So these are the sentences we can make using present perfect tense. So let's have the structure. For positive structure, positive, subject, then have or has, then V3 form of the verb, and after that object. For negative, subject, have, has, then not, and the same process. For interrogative, and for negative interrogative, we use this structure: negative interrogative, the same, have, has, then subject, and then we have to add not. After that V3 and then object. So there is no difficulty to learn this tense, though it's an advanced tense. So, but it is not difficult to learn. Positive sentence, we have written this structure: subject at the beginning of the sentence. You have to bring the subject. In all cases we bring subject, and after that here the helping verb is have and has. For third person singular, the rule is maybe different for sometimes. When there is subject is third person singular. So for third person singular we use has, and all the remaining we use have, and after that V3 means past participle of the verb. Go, went, gone. So gone is the third V3, V1, V2, V3. So it is the past participle of the verb and then object. How we can let's take an example. Take an example like subject have, I have lost. Sorry, I am writing it here. Subject I have. If subject is have, let's see here. Then have, then V3 I have lost. Then object my pen. Did you understand? And I have lost my pen. Subject, then have, after that V3 and object. Let's take another example. What are those examples? Now we are taking verb 3. Third person singular like she. She, then we have to use has. And then V3, she has gone to school. It is so simple. Subject, then have or has. For third person singular, we know that he, she, it, or any name, any singular name. She has gone to school. And for negative, subject, have, has, not, and V3 and object. So not. We have to use she has not gone to school. So only if you can make positive sentence, so it is very easy for you to make negative sentence and then interrogative and negative interrogative. So you need to learn, you need to know actually how to make positive sentence. If you have the capacity to make positive sentence, then definitely it is easy for you to make negative sentence and interrogative and negative interrogative. Just you have to add, whenever you want to make any sentence negative, you have to add not after the helping verb. She has not gone to school. Okay, it is done. Now let's move to the interrogative. Interrogative, have, has, subject. We already said it so many times that when we make interrogative sentence, we need to bring the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, and after the subject will come, and then V3 and object. So has she, subject, has she gone, V3, object to school. Has she gone to school? Is it okay? So have or has we need to take has she gone to school. Let's take another example. Have, with have. Have you, subject, then got, get, got. Have you got your pen? You lost your pen and your friend is asking you, have you got your pen? So subject for, it is not third person singular, so we can use have. Have you got your pen? And if you want to make it negative interrogative, then you just have to add not after the subject. Then have you not got your pen? For negative interrogative, it's for negative interrogative. Have you got, or has she not found her pen? We can also make so many sentences. It is so easy. Just look at the structure and the example and the matching example. So we have got so many structure, and we can make WH question interrogative with WHO word. So if we want to add any WH, we can use, I will show it in another example. So if you want to screenshot it, then you can take it. Now we move to another part. One quick glance for you that I, we, you, they. We use have. I have gone. If I say I have gone to market, I have gone to school. Okay. And if we use third person singular, let's have a look here, please. He, she, it. The helping verb is has. For them, has is the helping verb, and then you have to use the same verb, V3 form. He has gone to school, she has gone to school, it has gone to school. Okay? Now, have, interrogative, and has. Have we use I, you, we, and they. And for has, he, she, and it. Now, gone to school or market. Look at this, how we make interrogative with the help of present perfect tense. Have I gone to school? Have you gone to school? So we bring the helping verb at the beginning. And have we gone to school? Have they gone to school? For the third person singular, we don't use have there, we use has for the third person singular. Has he gone to school? Has she gone to school? And has it gone to school? Now let's take a WH word. How can we make with the help of WH word? WH word is where. Where have you gone? So it is the answer. We need to remove the answer. If we want to where have I gone? Where have you gone? Where have we gone? Where have they gone? Where has he gone? Where has she gone? And where has it gone? Now let's take another WH word. When. When means time. What time or when? When have I gone? When have you gone? When have we gone? When have they gone? When has he gone? When has she gone? And when has it gone? So it is so easy and so simple to make, though we call it the advanced tense, but it is so easy. It is not difficult for each and every one. You just need to have your consistency. If you want to learn something, you just have to maintain your consistency. You just have to actually involve you a few times to learn video. Half an hour, 1 hour is enough for you. But be strict. Always, I recommend you all that always remember the positive sentence in each tense. Today, present perfect tense. So, I have eaten. I have eaten rice. I have eaten lunch. Let's write it here. This is another example. I have eaten lunch. What does it mean? I have subject, helping verb, V3 and lunch, object. So its base form is eat. We know eat, ate and eaten. So I have eaten lunch. If my friend asks me, do you or have you taken lunch? So I reply, I have taken lunch. Sorry, I can't go with you. So I have eaten lunch. In present perfect tense, it means what? I have just taken lunch. Maybe it's half an hour ago or 10 minutes ago, but I don't have the capacity to take more lunch. Okay, so this event, it happened in the past, but its effect still in the present. So I don't have the capacity to take any more lunch. So guys, this is new. We can use, instead of eaten, you can use I have taken lunch, because it is too old. You can ignore it. I have eaten lunch or I have taken lunch. And alternatively, you can write I have had lunch. I have had lunch. Why we write had here? Because have means to eat. So I have eaten. So that is the third form of it. So we can use have had. I have had lunch. So it's correct, 100% correct, and it's advanced English. You keep remembering this kind of sentences, this kind of year. I have had lunch. And how we can make this question? If for question have you, we ask have you eaten lunch or dinner? Maybe have you eaten lunch? Instead of using eaten, we can use have you taken lunch or have you had lunch. Have you had lunch? So I would like to recommend you, please use this word instead of have lunch, or instead of lunch, dinner, breakfast. Okay, so I have had lunch. Have you had your lunch? If someone asks you, have you had your lunch? Or if you have taken lunch, you can answer him, I have had my lunch. Okay, or I have had my dinner. So we can use had instead of eaten. You just remember have we use for eat. I'm having food. It means I'm eating some food. I'm having. So have is third form, eat, ate, eaten, and have, had. So we can use had here. Okay. So guys, hope you learned so many new things from this video. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe those who are not subscribed yet. And thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you once again. Bye bye.